If the Google Play Store is not working on your Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G, so in this video I will show you how you can fix this issue. First of all, just open the control center, and from here just make sure that you're connected to the internet. Also make sure that you have a good internet connection, because a weak internet connection can make the Google Play Store not to work properly. Now in the control center, just tap on the airplane mode icon and turn it on. Then just wait for a few seconds and tap on it and turn it off. Now by doing that, you will do a quick network refresh on your tablet. After you do that, then just go to settings, and under settings just scroll down and tap on apps. Now from this app list, just look for the Google Play Store. Now just tap on Google Play Store. From here just tap on Force Stop and tap on OK. After you do that, then tap on Storage and select Clear Cache. After you clear the cache of your Google Play Store, then just go to your home screen and perform a restart on your tablet. Now you can do that by just pressing and holding on the power button, but for some reason if the power button is not working on your tablet, you can open the power menu from the control center. Just open the control center, then tap on the power icon. Now just select Restart. Now after you restart your tablet, you will fix the Google Play Store not working issue on your Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.